So I'm dumb and forgot my camera, so using my phone right now. Looking for cosplay stuff right now, so right now I think I'm just going to focus on finishing Ishtar's crown and her spear and Makoto's brass knuckles. So what do I need? I'm looking for like, I need paint, but I also need like plasti dip or something. So I don't really know what I'm looking for at this point, except for plastic. I don't know what you're supposed to use for like sealant. What is this? I'm gonna ask CARLEIGH because I don't know what I'm doing. Can we just... What happened to his head? Fix it. I don't know. Alright. Getting that fresh vlog content with CARLEIGH. Oh, I got stuff all over my lens. Yeah, we're working on cosplay props. She's working on Himiko's scarf thing. And then I have to make brass knuckles for Makoto. Kind of should make a pattern, but kind of winging it, so. Come on.
Yo, what's up, babe? I love you. An entire babe.
Wait, did it work?
A whole babe. The babe. Alright, how do I want to do this?
Did it work?
What? No.
Huh. Should make this a mixtape.
The mixtape. Yes, I love the smell of burning plastic. Yes. I love the smell of burning plastic. Bitch, what's up? Deirdre. She came in and said bitch. I don't even know if she's here anymore. That's all that matters, is that she came and said bitch. Alright. Taylor, yes, she is here. We're working on cosplay. Oh, wow. A good meme.
Oh my god.
A fucking good meme. A good meme. Yes, this will help, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like it, right?
This is a big mood. No pain. Did you ever have a 303 phase?
I don't think so.
You never had a 303 phase? Damn. This is like my fucking middle school.
Oh my god.
You're not? Oh, you did?
That might be too low, but I can trim it down.
Yeah, I think it's too wide.
Yeah. I don't see how much it'll bend. This was recording. Did I mention how much I hate cutting EVA foam? I'm like not even doing anything complicated, it's just so hard to cut it straight, and I already started heat forming it, so it's not helping the process, but alright, so it's 6:55. I didn't make that much progress. I kind of took a little break. But yeah, I'm just working on the Queen's brass knuckles right now, and then Sai's hat is currently in the works. So this would be positioned like this, and then I'll have this one in the back, and then one in the front. So I'll just hot glue those. Well, yeah. Alright, so it's already 8:53. I suck at remembering to vlog, but I am getting some progress done on Makoto's brass knuckles, I think they were. So Carleigh's dad helped me cut the wooden dowels, and then I made the little spikes with warble. I want to try to smooth them out if I can, but then I have to prime this with watered down wood glue, and then I'll start spray painting it. I also finished Sae's hat. I looked up a reference. Hers don't have numbers on them, but I was going based off of the suits for each card, so. Hi, oh, well, that's a look. So I forgot to end the vlog because I'm dumb and I'm bad at vlogging and remembering to film stuff, but it's like 1:50 Wednesday. I filmed our vlog on Monday evening, but yeah, I don't know why I'm awake right now. I gotta take my makeup off. I'm actually editing the vlog. Ooh, that's a look. That's a look. But I'm editing the vlog right now and filming the outro right now because your girl is bad at remembering to film stuff. But anyway, Carleigh and I made headway yesterday, or technically Monday. She worked on Toga's neck piece, as well as she also spray painted a couple other pieces for her belt and her daggers. What did I work on? I finished Sai's hat. I have to work on Queen's knuckles a bit more. So I like molded the base for them. I have to finish the second one, but I want to sand them down a little bit before I prime them. So that's the bulk of what I did. Yeah, I got some pictures back earlier from a photographer, and I don't know. I'm a little confused because I paid for full edits and everything, but then he sent out an email to a bunch of us pretty much saying these are the edits he'd give us, and then we were welcome to add filters or edit them to our liking. And I don't know. That's a whole other deal. But basically, when I got the pictures back, I realized I wasn't very pleased with my Ishtar costume, and I feel like I started out at a good pace in the beginning, but the closer we got to Katsu, the more I rushed, and part of that included finishing part of the costume the morning of one of my shoots. So I don't know if I'm just gonna completely scrap it and try making it again from scratch, or I don't know. I'm just really upset that I ended up rushing it like that. I do want to, if I can, remake it. Now that I have a little bit more experience with working with the sewing machine and everything, I do want to make it to the best of my ability. I do have another shoot coming for her, so hopefully those pictures turn out a little bit better, but I don't know, that made me a little bit sad today, but I can only blame myself for rushing, but yeah, Carleigh and I made some good headway yesterday. I should probably go to bed soon. Yeah, sorry if this vlog is lacking.
I'm really upset that I forgot to bring my camera with me into the store. I mean, I have my phone, but running low on memory and it's awkward filming in public, but I need to get better about that. It's another reason I was a little iffy about vlogging at Katsu, but hopefully I can vlog at Anime Boston. But thank you guys for watching. If this is like something you'd be interested in seeing on a regular basis, like cosplay progress and stuff like that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!